Another video, another one to show how high the river has come beyond its banks from all the rain we had last night. As you can see by how close it is to the top of this bridge, or the underside of the bridge. Nature. And this is a tributary of the River Lea that goes all the way over to Houghton Regis, close to where the little tea hut is, where they have car shows every other year. And what you can hear over there is Leagrave railway station, there's trains pulling in. And an abandoned, that's another small video I shall sign off on. I shall post these later on.